here. So what does I PPT parts per thousand part per what per thousand. ppm means what parts per million, and ppb means what parts per billion. Are you there? So how do you express concentration? Because these are other ways you can what express concentration of a solution. So concentration of a solution can be expressed in what in molarity, in percentage rates, in what part per million, part per billion, or what part per what thousand. Do you understand? So now there are different methods to solve what ppm, ppb, and what ppt. There are what different what method. Now depending on the question, you what know the formula to what to apply. So in this video here, like look at these questions here. I'm going to show you simple formulas on how you can what tackle this kind of what problem. And I'm going to walk you through step by step method on how to do that. So in order to what solve ppm, ppb, and ppt here, there is a simple formula here. So here we have ppt equals to what the molarity of the solution, the molarity of the solution. And when I talk about the molarity, I'm talking about what mole per liter, or what mole per dm cube. Molarity times what molar mass of the solution. So ppt is equals to what molarity times what molar mass of the solution. So when you are being asked to express concentration in ppt, what you want to do here is to what know the molarity of that solution and the what molar mass of that solution. Then you multiply it together, you get what your ppt. Do you understand? And the unit is always what ppt. Do you get that? But next is what ppm. ppm is what molarity times molar mass times 10 to what 3. So now when you are being asked to express concentration in what ppm, you multiply the molarity with what molar mass and multiply by what 1000. So this is how you can express what you want ppm. Then ppb is what molarity times molar mass times 10 to what 6. Just that. So these are ways you can what use to express ppt, ppm, or ppb. You get that? So, but there are other methods, other formulas, which I'm not going to talk about in this formula in this video here. In my next video, where I'm going to talk about ways of express concentration in your ppm, ppb, and ppt, I'm going to expose those formulas to you. But for now, this is the formula you need to what you need to solve this here. Now, but if you look at the question here, molarity. So how do we calculate molarity? So there are three different formulas in calculating what molarity, because in some questions the molarity will not be given to you, so you have to calculate what the molarity of that what solution. So how do you calculate molarity of a solution? Like what I said, there are three main formulas which you need to know. So the first one is what molarity is equals to what mole over what volume. Mole over what volume, and the volume is what is dm cube or what liter, right? Now this is one of the common formulas when it comes to what calculating what molarity of a solution. Now the next formula here, molarity is equals to what mass, which is what in gram, over what the molar mass times the volume. Do you understand that times what is volume? And the volume must be what in dm cube or what liter. Do you understand? The last one is what molarity equals to what concentration in gram per dm cube over what the molar mass. So these two formulas look alike, you get. So this is what the first formula, second what formula, what the third what formula. So you have what technique of all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you get that? So I'll be transferring all these things here. You get, I will transfer all these things here. So we're able to what solve those problems step by step. I've transferred the formulas here. So now let's start tackling what this question. We want to solve A, B, C, and D. So we have 4 questions to what to solve. Now what I'm going to do here is that for every question I've solved, I'm going to give you more for you to try. And what we want to do here is to pause video and try it. Do you get that? So that it's going to be interactive, so that you know if you get the answer or not. You get. So let's take the first one here. They see that 0.01 molarity CaCO3 to ppm, right? CaCO3. Do you understand? So they ask you to explain this one in ppm in what? CaCO3. Don't worry, as we will to understand here. Do you get that? So they say ppm. Now what is the formula for ppm? ppm is what? Molarity times molar mass times 10 to what? 3, right? So ppm equals what? Molarity times what? The molar mass of the solution times 10 to what? 2, right? So now in the question here, they have given what my molarity. Now whenever I say capital letter M is what? Mole per what? dm cube, or mole, or what? Mole per what? Per liter. Do you understand? dm cube and liter, they are the same thing. So this is what we're taking it off, right? So yeah, ppm equals molarity times molar mass times 10 to what? 3, right? So now my molarity is equals to what? 0.01 molar, right? Now we have to calculate what the molar mass of calcium carbonate. So molar mass of calcium carbonate is what? So how do you calculate the molar mass of calcium carbonate? Therefore, what is the atomic mass of calcium carbonate? The atomic mass of calcium carbonate is what? Is 40. So it will be 40 times 1, right? Plus carbon, what the atomic mass is 12. 12 times 1 plus what? Oxygen what is 16. 16 times what? 3. So 40 plus 12 plus 48 going to give what? 100 gram per what? Per mole, right? So now, if I should impute my values here, that is my molar mass of calcium carbonate is what? 100 gram per what? Per mole, right? So now let's impute the value here. ppm is equals to molarity is what? 0.01 times 1000 times 10 to what? 3. So what will be the answer? So this will be a calculator. So what will be 100? Okay, 0.01 times 100 times 1000. So 0.01 times 100 times 1000. So you have 1000 ppm. Do you understand? So that is the answer here. Now let me give you the one for you to try. So now let me give try 1. So please endeavor what you make sure here. But you have 0.0067 molarity. Maybe you have H2SO3. H2SO3 to ppm. H2SO3. So please go ahead and try it for me. Leave your answer in the comment section. So convert the following here. Guys, you should convert 0.0067 molarity of this one here to ppm of this one. So go ahead and try it for me. So pause video, solve it, and leave your answer in the comment section. I want to see what you can do. So that I got to put my face try. So we say try 1. This is what is the answer. You leave your answer in the comment section. You get. So I want it to be very interactive. So that is it for this one here. So let me what say. I'm looking at something here. If you look at this question, if you look at this stuff them here, they're asking you to calculate the ppm of what? Calcium carbonate. In what? Calcium carbonate. Do you understand? Yeah, if you check, they say we should express what? Calculate ppm of what? Fe2 minus in this compound. Do you understand? I know that ppm is because what? The molarity of what? Fe2 plus times the molar mass of what? Now because here we have Fe2. Fe2 now, Fe2 plus is not a molecule again, is an atom. So you can say atomic what mass. Do you get that? Now, here we have molecule, that is called molar mass. But here it's going to be what? Atomic mass. Do you understand? So it's going to be atomic mass of what? Of Fe2 plus times what? 10 is what? 3. Right? Now, if you look at the question here, they give us molarity. Molarity, molarity of what? FeNO3 2 is what? Is 0.005 molarity. Do you get that? Now, what I want to do here, please pay close attention here. So for me to get the molarity of what Fe2 plus in this compound here, I have to what? Write what? I need equation. So if I should split this one down, if I should write the chemical formula between this one and this ion, I would have FeNO3 2. Then here we have what? Fe2 plus NO3 what minus. So we have to what? Balance the what? The equation. How many ions do you have here? Here we have one ion, one ion. How many NO3 do you have here? Here we have 2, so you have to put 2 here. So if you check it very well, 1 mole, here we have what? 1 mole, here we have what? 1, here we have what? 2 what? Moles. Do that. Now, for those of you who don't know how to balance equation using the algebraic method, I've done a complete video on balancing of what? Chemical reaction using what? The algebraic what method. You get. So you see it at the end of this end screen, or it will be at the description below. So if you see other issues of what? Balancing reaction using the algebraic method, I advise you to go check out my complete video on that I explain step by step, right? So now, for me to get the molarity of Fe, so here we have one, here we have one, right? So if here we have 0.005 molarity, yes, it's going to be what? 0.05 because it's 1. So 1 times this here also have 0.005 what? Molarity. But here don't want to be 0.005 because here it's 2 times 0.005. So here we have 0.005 times 2. Here we have what? 0.001 what? Molarity. So you know that the molarity of what? Fe2 plus, right, is what? 0.005 what? Molarity. Do you understand? So now whenever you are calculating the ion of any element at all in what? In a compound or in a molecule, therefore you have to what? Write out a balanced chemical reaction like this. Then check me what? The what? Balance mole. Then use the balance mole to multiply the what? The molarity of the molecule. And get this one here. Do you guys? So do you know what my molarity? Now, what is my atomic mass? Atomic mass of what? Fe2 plus is what? Atomic mass is what? Is 56 gram per what? 50 what gram per what mole. So since I already know my molarity, I know my atomic mass, I'll just apply this formula here and solve it here. So ppm of what? Fe2 plus is going to be what? 0.005 times what? 56 times 10 to what? 3. So you get your answer here. So it's going to be 0.005 times 56 times 1000. You have what? 280 ppm. That is the what? That is the answer, right? So that I would like to do one for me. Exactly the same type here. You have. I will try to. Try to ask. So it's going to be try 2. Try 2. Okay. So 0.00185 molarity. Here we have Cu. No. Let us say. Na2XO4 Na2SO4 to ppm Na plus. So they're going to be try 2 So if you want conversion here, 0.00185 molarity sodium sulfate to ppm of what sodium ion. So go ahead and try to pause video here and try to leave it out at the comment section. You get that? So try to place that word at the comment section. So this is just a way to work test yourself if you truly understood what I've actually what done. You get. So if you understand this video so far, please leave at the comment section that you are following this video, and if this video is helpful, please leave at the comment section that this video is what is helpful. You get. Now please kindly share this video to other of your classmates friends doing what chemistry in their first year in their first year chemistry. So go ahead, copy the link and what share it with others. So, but leave your answer, leave your answer at the comment section. You get. If you cannot solve, you also leave that you cannot solve. So I will know exactly what to do. So what's saying the word solution, right? So let me move to what question. So now let's look at this question. You see that issue what express 1.25 gram of NaCl per 35 milliliter solution to what PPT NaCl sodium chloride. Do you understand? So when I talk about PPT, the formula I gave PPT is what the molarity of the solution times sodium times molar mass times what molar mass, right? So that is the formula I give to you. Now, but here they gave us gram and volume. So how do you calculate the molarity? So this way I want to use this formula here. Molarity equals to mass by what molar mass times what volume, right? So molarity equals to what the mass, which is what in gram, what the molar mass times volume, and the volume must be what in dm cube or what liter. Do you get that? So what it means that my mass, I've already been given, my mass is what is 1.25 gram, right? Now my volume is what is 35 what milliliter. Remember, 1 liter equals to 1,000 what milliliter, right? So you have to convert what milliliter what to liter. So what I got to do here? Going to be times 1,000 mil 1 liter. Do you know the reason why I saw mil because I have mil here? So what am I going to get? I'm going to have what 35 liter over what 1,000. How do I get this here? 35 times 1 liter here you have 35 over what 1,000. So what is the answer? So you have 0.035 what liter, right? So now let's calculate what the molar mass. The molar mass of what sodium chloride, right? Molar mass of sodium chloride. So going to be what 23 times 1 plus what 35.5 times 1. 23 is the atomic mass of sodium. 35.5 is what is atomic mass of what chlorine, right? So sodium is having 1 atom, chlorine is having what 1 atom. So it's going to be 23 plus 35.5. What will be the answer? So you have 23 plus 35.5. You have 58.5. 58.5 what gram per mole. Do you get that? Gram per what per mole. So that is I'm going to what my molar mass. My molar mass, right? So I'm going to what my molar mass of what NaCl, right? 58.5 gram per mole. So now this way I can now apply this formula here. So this way I'm now going to apply molarity now. Molarity equals to what the mass. My mass is 1.25 gram over molar mass is what 58.5 gram per mole times my volume. My volume is what 0.035 liter, right? So let's do the calculation here. So 1.25 divided by 58.5 times 0.035. So here I have my molarity here. Molarity of what of NaCl is what 0.612 1 molarity. Now we also say that what mole per liter, right? So now this way I can now calculate what by PPT. Remember PPT equals what molarity times the what molar mass, right? So PPT equals to what my molarity is what 0.61 times my molar mass. Molar mass is what 58 dot 5, right? So what would be times 58.5? You have 35.714 ppt. That is what that is the answer. Do you get that? So let me give you one you are going to try. Let me give you one you are going to try under this. Let me give you one you are going to try under this. So here we have uh, uh, 2.051 gram of uh, sodium Na2CO3, right? Per let's say 45 ml solution to PPT Na2CO3. So you're going to be try what? Try 3. So go ahead and do something. Try 3. Leave the answer at the comment section. You get leave the answer at the what comment section. Now there's a reason. Now there's a reason why I say she will try this one here because that is how you know if you truly understand what I've done or not. You get so go ahead and try this one. Drop your answer at the comment section. So let me look at let me see the person that want to get the what correct answer here. So let's look at what the D part. So here is exactly what we have already what done, right? So you can still pause the video and try this one yourself. But I don't have that tiny language here. So yeah, mass was given to me. Mass of sodium chloride is what is 0.455 gram, right? Volume volume of the solution is what 250 what mil. Of course, I have to convert to what to liter. Divide by what 1,000. So if you divide by 1,000, 250 divided by 1,000, you will have 0.25 what liter, right? So that is it. Now remember, molarity equals to what mass over what molar mass times what volume, right? So my molar mass of what sodium chloride is what 58.5 gram per mole, which I've already calculated, right? So you just have to input your values here. Molarity now. Molarity is equals to what? Mass is what 0.455 over gram over 58.5 gram per mole times what the volume. The volume is what 0.25 what liter. So here we have 0.455 divided by 58.5 times 0.25. So here we have 0.0311, right? Molarity mole per what liter or capital letter M. Capital letter M. So that is what the molarity. That is what is molarity. Now, what are you going to do next, right? Remember, they say Cl what minus. This way, I want to write what the ionic equation of what this sodium chloride. So NaCl. What do you have here? What do you have here? You have Na plus Cl what minus, right? So the equation is already balanced. So here we have 1 mole. Here we have what 1 mole. Here we have what 1 mole. Do you get that? So the molarity solution is what 0.0311 molarity. Same to each other here because they are 1 mole. So 0.0311 molarity. There we have 0.0311 what molarity. Right? That is molarity of what Cl minus is what 0.0311 what molarity, right? Remember, which one are we using? They say what ppm, right? Remember ppm equals to what? Molarity. So going to be molarity of what? Cl minus times what? Molar mass of what? Cl minus times what? 10^3, right? So the molar the that is, I want to look at the atomic mass of what? Chlorine minus, right? So the atomic mass of what? Cl minus is what? Is 35.5 gram per what? Per mole. You get? So let's impute our values here. I already know my molarity. I already know my atomic mass of chlorine minus is what? 35.5. So my ppm here is going to be what? Which is going to be 0.0311 times 35.5 times 10^3. So let's look at the answer here. 0.0311 times 35.5 times 1000. So we have 1104.05 ppm. That is the word answer. So we have come to the end of today's class or this video here. So if this video is helpful, please kindly leave it at the comment section that this video is helpful. Please, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please endeavor to subscribe to the channel, and it will do more good when you copy the link and share my videos with your friends also doing chemistry. Do you get that? So especially if you know that this video is helping you, definitely go to help other of your colleagues or your classmates or your friends. You get? So thanks for watching. So if you have issue with balancing of reaction, use the algebraic method. I have a complete video on that. As a matter of fact, I've created 2 videos on that. You can check it at the description or you see it at the end screen. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.